Hi, grade ones. This is a non-fiction text about the life cycle of a koala. Now, if you have a look at the picture, you will see it goes in a circle. So we start at the top with number 1, and that's the first stage of the koala life cycle. Then we follow the arrows around the circle till we get to stage 2, 3, and 4, and then the life cycle begins again. So a life cycle is the stages that a living thing goes through in its lifetime. So it starts off as a baby, and then it grows up into become a child, an adult, and then the adult will then begin the life cycle again. So it will have a baby, and then that baby will become a child and then an adult. Okay, so we'll start with stage 1. So in stage 1, the female koala breeds between September and February. She is pregnant for about 35 days before typically giving birth to one joey that looks like a pink jelly bean. The joey attaches itself to a teat inside its mother's pouch. This is where the baby joey can get its nutrients and food to help it to grow. Now we've moved around our cycle to get to stage 2. So in stage 2, the joey drinks only mother's milk for the first 6 to 7 months. Then it begins to eat pap, which is a special form of koala poo. This prepares the joey to eat gum leaves. At about 6 months old, the joey begins to spend time exploring outside the mother's pouch. Stage 3. As soon as the joey begins eating gum leaves, it grows at a much faster rate. At first, it clings onto its mother's belly or back. Eventually, it begins to make short trips away from its mother. Now we're at stage 4 of the life cycle. At around 1 year old, the joey leaves its mother. The joey is a fully grown adult koala by about 4 years old. On average, koalas live to 10 to 12 years of age. Did you know that koalas are not bears? They are marsupials, which means that they carry their young in a pouch. Eucalyptus leaves are tough and poisonous. Luckily for koalas, they have a long digestive organ called a cecum, which allows them to break down the leaves unharmed.